trying to get him some. What's going on? Oh, he trying to get him some. There's one boy in here and the rest are females. These cows, because he trying to mount them.
Yeah, you seen his nuts too. He got some. This is all stuff he just bought today from the stockyard.
Yeah, I saw.
Usually stuff I don't mess with as far as slaughtering for myself. All the stuff we slaughter is coming out of what we raise here, which are these guys. And they're turned out. There's probably like there's at least 80 or 90 cows.
Where?
Out on the field.
Oh really? I said I was gonna do a cow this year too.
Yeah, you're always welcome to anytime, whenever.
Yeah, he chase. You see how he chasing this one? He's hot pursuit on this one right here.
She's probably smelling like.
What's it? Estrich.
I don't know. They leak some kind of.
Yeah.
Some kind of.
That's when they in
heat.
Yeah, heat. I thought that was just for the dogs and cats.
No, that's all across the board.
Yeah, I had a couple of female. Yeah, he's slobbering out the mouth. Good great. He want to get that thing bad though. There you go. He don't even know what he too young. He don't know what he doing.
What do we call it? We call it thirsty, right?
Yeah, thirsting. He thirsting. Oh, he jumping on. Good great. That boy's a beast.
Oh yeah. Hey guys, at least 1,400 pounds.
He's not old enough though, is he?
For what?
To have sex.
Oh hell yeah, he is.
Cause he act like he don't know what he's doing.
No, he's old enough. He's probably 3 years old. Let me see his head. Nah, he's younger than 3. He's probably 2.
Yeah, it didn't seem like
cow,
cause he's before he even touch it, he's skeeting all over the place.
Bro, these guys are ready, man. The little guys, everybody's ready to have sex. As soon as when they're 2 months old, you see them start humping. It doesn't actually work.
Yeah.
It's not like semen that takes, but you just hold that right here.
Okay.
You want to do the bigger one out of here, right?
Yeah. They're not gonna run out?
No, I'm trying to get them to run out. Go on there. Hey. I only want him to, but I don't think that's gonna work. Go on, go on. Go on, go on. امشي يا حالك. ايوه روح.
You tell him to go. He's speaking to him in Arabic. روح.
روح. مشي حالك.
امشي.
I've been messing with him, man. Look at that, look at that. That's something you see, you get on camera, man.
What's that?
There's the little cow and the big cow who are both licking each other's noses. The two boys, the big black bull.
Yeah. You the one in here?
Yeah. It's just moments, man. You just like, I guess you always have to be rolling to catch.
Yeah. Cause I was rolling. In fact, I came out here earlier and they were doing nothing.
Really?
I started talking to them because they would act like they were scared of me. That's why I was like, are they scared of the camera? They start walking away. All of them start going towards the corner when they see the camera. And I start talking to them. They start acting a little bit.
A little more friendly?
Yeah, I was like, maybe when people come back here, it's always noise and I'm an unfamiliar scent.
That's mostly the fact that you're an unfamiliar scent. No.
You taking both of them out at the same time?
You don't have to come back here.
Yeah, I just wonder how when you bring them out front, or you gonna put them in another cage out front.
Yeah, that thing in the front.
Yeah, cause I remember how you did it before.
يلا يا فحلة هيا يا فحلة يا فحلة ايه يا فحلة ايه يا فحلة. That's it. That's it.
And then from here you just take out the ones you want. Okay. Bismillah, bismillah, bismillah. You ready?
Big boy right there, yeah.
Jamal called me once I'm out here. Talk about what's up.
You might always be like that. People in general, Julian, man.
Yeah, but he told me he told me yesterday what the deal was though. He's like, yeah man, I'm not gonna get out.